Several families at one Southwest Houston apartment complex are out of their homes because of a possible carbon monoxide leak.
One person is dead, 8 others became ill. That complex is on Woodchase and Richmond in Southwest Houston. Channel 2's Jennifer Bauer joins us there tonight. So Jen, what are these families going to do tonight? Where are they going to go?
Well, you know, in this letter that was given to residents by the apartment management here, they are telling them to call their renters insurance companies to get reimbursed for hotel stays. Some people are staying with family and friends, and the apartment complex says they will help anyone who doesn't have a place to stay. Building 4 at the Ashford Aberdeen apartment complex is dark and vacant. Residents have been told to get out for their own safety after traces of carbon monoxide were detected in the building. Firefighters found a 78-year-old man dead inside his apartment and 8 other people sick when they arrived on property this morning. This is cell phone video of crews working to help people who felt sick, including a baby and small child. Crispin Bismarck and his 10-year-old stepdaughter Ashley say it was their neighbor who called and reported the problem.
Her cousin was sick and feeling vomiting and all that. And then this morning, they were sick, so they called the fire department.
Well, it's scary, of course, because we don't know for how long this has been happening.
A spokesperson for the complex tells Channel 2 the cause of the leak is still under investigation. Right now, gas to the building has been shut off as a precaution, and the manager insists all the other buildings are safe. When residents left, they were told to open their doors and windows for ventilation. We're told on-site security will be keeping an eye on things overnight. Now, residents could be out until Monday. The apartment complex tells us once city inspectors give the building the all clear, tenants will be allowed to return home. We're live tonight. I'm Jennifer Bauer, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Jen, thank you. And here's a look at some of the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. They can include headaches, nausea, and fatigue. Those symptoms, though, often mistaken for the flu because the gas is not noticeable in homes. Prolonged exposure can lead to brain damage and even death.